Have you ever transformed a vibrant bell pepper into a luscious cheese-baked vessel? Or crafted a mesmerizing multi-ringed fried egg worthy of a five-star restaurant? Or nothing more than a humble rice bowl? Join Cooking Tips 5S as we conjure two visually magical yet effortlessly simple culinary delights. Dish 1. Baked bell pepper cups with silken egg and molten cheese. We begin by selecting a visually striking trio of green, red and yellow bell peppers. With a precise blade, delicately remove the crown. A whisper of advice, gently glide your knife around the core and carefully extract the seeds by hand. This preserves the pepper's flawless structure, forging a breathtaking natural vessel to cradle our rich filling. Now we craft our silken egg custard. Pour a gentle measure of fresh milk into a ceramic bowl, followed by 2 farm-fresh eggs. Awaken the flavors with a dusting of freshly cracked pepper, a robust pinch of fine sea salt, and a scattering of finely minced emerald scallions. Whisk with rhythmic grace until the eggs and milk achieve a harmonious, luminous unity. A culinary secret, the addition of milk, is the key to ensuring the baked egg emerges exceptionally pillowy soft and profoundly rich. We then slice plump cherry tomatoes into delicate, translucent rounds. Arrange the pristine bell peppers upon a circular aluminium tray, ladling the velvety egg mixture until it perfectly fills the heart of each vibrant cup. Gracefully float a few tomato slices across the surface. Introduce the tray to the gentle heat of the air fryer, baking until the custard sets into form. As we wait, take a moment to relax and watch the tranquil koi fish glide through the water. Once the surface of the egg is delicately seared, withdraw the tray to shower the crowns with an abundance of cubed cheese. Return them to the heat for a final few moments until the cheese surrenders into a bubbling, golden-hued cascade. Slice into this masterpiece to reveal a soft, pillowy custard woven with stretching molten cheese, all embraced by the naturally sweet, crisp pepper. An effortlessly convenient, yet breathtakingly exquisite triumph. With such a brilliantly versatile dish, if bell peppers do not capture your heart, what other garden vegetable would you select to fashion your baked egg vessel? Would you choose a plump tomato, a hearty potato, or perhaps a delicate zucchini? Share your culinary brilliance with us in the comments below. Dish 2. The multi-ringed planetary fried egg. Moving to our second creation, a visual marvel guaranteed to leave everyone in awe. We begin by cracking an egg using a spoon with the utmost care to rescue a single pristine yolk, setting it aside in isolated perfection. Following this, crack 2 additional eggs into separate glass vessels, meticulously dividing the luminous whites from the golden yolks. Take a whisk to the yolks, blending them into a smooth, liquid gold. Warm a non-stick skillet over the stove. Now we unveil our secret weapon. Gracefully invert a humble small rice bowl directly in the center of the pan. Pour the pure egg whites in a cascading halo around the bowl's rim. A vital technique, maintain a mere whisper of a flame throughout this journey, allowing the egg to cook with deliberate slowness. This preserves its immaculate snowy whiteness without a hint of blistering or charred edges. Once the pristine white halo has beautifully set, gently lift the bowl away, pouring the whisked golden yolk into the newly revealed void. As this vibrant layer cooks to perfection, we carefully remove the inner mold once more. Finally, we introduce the pristine, unbroken yolk into the very heart of our creation, surrounding it with the last remaining measure of pure egg white. Allow the gentle heat to coax the entire masterpiece to completion. You are left with an extraordinary planetary fried egg, a mesmerizing multi-layered tapestry of alternating white and gold.